Good morning, children. Okay, are you ready? Okay, today we will start our second session. Your second session is ordinal numbers, and your first chapter is looking back that you already studied in your first chapter how to read and write two-digit numbers and their counting and count in backward, count in forward you studied in the first session. So in that same chapter here we studied ordinal numbers. Okay, and skip counting also we studied in this session, that you already studied. So how to skip and count numbers. Okay, are you ready? Okay, we will start our second session. Yes, children, this is learning outcome. Learning outcome means, did you remember learning outcome? Yes, learning outcome. After the session, what you will get? So, from this session, after you can use ordinal numbers in your life situations. Most of the situations in your life, you can use ordinal numbers. So that time, how to use that ordinal numbers, you understand. Then count, you can count numbers by skipping the number, one number skip, and how to count that also you study after this session. Okay, are you ready? Okay, children.
What do you mean by an ordinal number? The ordinal number shows the position of an object. Let's learn about the ordinal numbers. There are 10 animals living near this pond. They have organized a running race today. All of them are standing at the start position. The race begins. The horse and the dog are running very fast. They complete the race and are at the first and second positions respectively. The camel and the elephant are running quite fast. They are third and fourth respectively to complete the race. The bear is at the fifth position and the cow is at the sixth position. The sheep and the rabbit look tired. They have reached the finishing point at the seventh and eighth positions respectively. The tortoise and the pig are running very slowly. They are ninth and 10th respectively. With this, the race ends. Now let us look at the winning positions of these animals. The horse came first. 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 The dog came second. 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 The camel is at the third position. Third. Third. The elephant is at the fourth position. Fourth. Fourth. The bear came fifth in the running race. Fifth. Fifth. The cow came sixth. 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 The sheep is at the seventh position. E N T H, seventh. The rabbit is at the eighth position. E I G H T H, eighth. The tortoise came ninth in the running race. N I N T H, ninth. The pig is at the 10th position. T E N T H, 10th. Let us look at this table. It shows the cardinal numbers 1 to 10 and the corresponding ordinal numbers 1st to 10th. Like this, all cardinal numbers have their corresponding ordinal numbers. Now, let's look at the cardinal numbers 11 to 20 and their corresponding ordinal numbers 11th to 20th. Here are the cardinal numbers 21 to 30 and their corresponding ordinal numbers 21st to 30th.
Look children, be ready with your textbook, colors and pencil. Okay? Did you see the running race of animals? Are you enjoy that running race? Okay, do you understand what is ordinal numbers? Yes, you all in your life you facing ordinal numbers in your life. How many times you are using ordinal numbers? So many times you used ordinal numbers in your school and in your home. First, second, third. I am the first. I am second. You already used. Okay, these first, second, third, fourth, fifth, like that. That is called ordinal numbers. Okay, who is the first in that running race? Do you remember? Yes, horse is the first one. Okay, here you look children in your textbook. After this exercise 1B, next page, some tortoises given. Okay, how many tortoises there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tortoises are there. Okay, 10 is there. Yes, 10 tortoises are there. So here, who is the first one? First one is this tortoise. This is the first tortoise. So first one you can give color. Are you ready for coloring? Yes, take your color. First tortoise, which color is given here? That is which color? Blue color. Take your blue color and give that tortoise blue color. Okay, do you color? Take your blue color and color this first tortoise blue. Then which is the second tortoise? This one is the second tortoise. You start from here only. So this is the second tortoise. Who is the second one? Which color second one? Is second tortoise green. So take your green color and color this tortoise green. You understand? Do you color? Finish coloring? Okay, you can do color. Then third one, which color is here? Yes, third one is red. Take your red color, give red color for third tortoise. Like that you listen the colors and then which odd according to the ordinal number you color it correctly. You color. So which color is for fourth? Take fourth one is white. So no need of coloring, or if you have white color you can color it. Okay. So like that you full tortoise you color it now itself. Understand? Now itself you color this full tortoises. Okay. So children, after this coloring. You finish coloring? All of you finish? Okay. Can I go the next one? Okay, children. Look, that exercise 1A, next is a pattern is giving. That pattern I will show you. Before that, you take the 10th question. 10th one, write the numbers while counting by 2s. 2s is given. 2s means skipping by 2. Skipping 2 means adding 2 to each number. Okay? Adding number 2 to each number. അതായത് first number is 4. So 4 plus which is 6? 4 plus which number? You take your finger. 4, 5, 6. Which number is adding? 2 is adding this 4. So we can get which number? Yes, 6 is getting. 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay. Do you understand? Can you say the next number? Which is the next number? Yes, 4 plus 2 is 6. Again, which number is adding? 6 plus which number? Yes, again 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 what? What is 6 plus 2? 6 plus 2, 7, 8. Okay, what's the next number? After 6, 7, 8. 2 is adding. So, next number is 8. Okay, this is keep counting by 2s. Counting by 2s means keep counting by 2. 2 is adding to each number. എല്ലാ നമ്പറിൻ്റെയും കൂടെ 2 ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് പോകണം. 2 അഡീഷൻ ചെയ്ത് പോകണം. അതായത് കൂട്ടണം. 8 plus 2 is, next 8 plus 2, 8, 9, 10. What is the 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Then 12 plus 2 is, that is 14. Then 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. Understand? Okay, you understand this? Yes, 2 is adding to each number. The next one, 43. 43 plus 2, what? This skip by 2 is adding 43 plus 2. 44, 45. So here I am writing, here is 45. And what is 45 plus 2? 46, 47. So what is the next number? Yes, that is 47. Understand? Then 47 plus 2, 47 to 2 add ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ എത്രയാ? 48, 49. Understand? 49. Okay. The next 49 plus 2, 50, 51. 51 is writing. 51. Then 51 plus 2 is 53. Understand? Then 53 plus 2, 55. 55 plus 2, 57. So this is skip by 2. Skip counting by 2. That means counting by 2s. 2 is adding to each number. ഏത് നമ്പറിൻ്റെ കൂടെ എല്ലാ നമ്പറിൻ്റെയും കൂടെ 2 മാത്രം ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് പോകണം. It is skip counting by 2. Okay. Then you look at that pattern. First number is 7. 7 plus which number is 9? 8, 9. 8, 9. So 2 is adding there. Then 9 plus 2. 9ൻ്റെ കൂടെ 2 കൂടെ കൂട്ടിയാൽ എത്രയാ? 9. 10, 11. So here 11. Then 11 plus 2. 12, 13. So 13 is there. Then 13 plus 2 is? Yes, here I am writing 15. Then 15 plus 2, 17. Then 17 plus 2, what is 17 plus 2? Yes, 19. 19 plus 2, yes, 21. This is the pattern. This is also called a pattern. Number pattern is this because same number is adding. Repeating the same number. Repeating same number is adding. Okay, that is a pattern. This is also called a pattern. Number pattern is that. Look children, next is write the numbers while counting by 3s. 3s means which number is adding? 2s means 2 is adding. 3s means skip counting by 3. അതായത് 3 ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് പോകണം. എല്ലാ നമ്പേഴ്സിൻ്റെയും കൂടെ 3 വേണം നമ്മൾ ആഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ. ഓക്കെ, ഹിയർ ദിസ് ഇസ് ഫസ്റ്റ് നമ്പർ 6. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 what is? 7, 8, 9. So 9 is writing. Then what is 9 plus 3? 10, 11, 12. So what is the next number? Yes, that is 12. And 12 plus 3? 15. 15 plus 3? 18. 18 plus 3? 21. 21 plus 3? 24. 24 plus 3? 27. Okay. So this is skip counting by 3. Here also one more question. So 3 is adding to each number. So you write that answer also here. Understand? 31 plus 3. 31, 32, 33, 34. So 34 is writing. 34 plus 3. 34, 35, 36, 37. 37 is writing here. Then 37 plus 3. 40. 40 plus 3. 43. 43 plus 3. 46. 46 plus 3. 49. 49 plus 3. 52. Not 32. This is 52. Okay, 52. So 3 is adding. Counting by 3s means skip counting by 3. That means 3 add ചെയ്ത് പോകണം. എല്ലാ നമ്പേഴ്സിൻ്റെയും കൂടെ 3 നമ്മൾ ആഡ് ചെയ്യണം. Understand? So here this is next pattern. What is the next pattern? 15. Next number is 18. So you look this pattern. Which number is adding to each number? എല്ലാ നമ്പറിൻ്റെയും കൂടെ ഏത് നമ്പർ അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്? 15 plus 3 what? 15 plus 2 ആണോ? 15 plus 2 what? 15, 16, 17. 17 ആവുന്നുള്ളൂ. 18 ആവണമെങ്കിൽ എത്ര നമ്പർ ആഡ് ചെയ്യണം? Yes, 3. 15, 16, 17, 18. So 3 is adding. 18 plus 3, 18, 19, 20, 21. Then 22, 23, 24. Yes, 24. Then 24 plus 3. Yes, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27 is writing here. 27. Then 27 plus 3. 30. 30 plus 3. 33. 33 plus 3. 36. This is the pattern. One more number pattern. Okay. Then here you look which pattern is this, which number is adding to each number. Can you see? First number 71, next number is 75. So which number is adding? 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. So which number is adding? 4 is adding to each number. So this is skip counting by 4. അപ്പോൾ 4 നമ്മളിവിടെ ഓരോ നമ്പറിൻ്റെയും കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. സോ 75 plus 4, 76, 77, 78, 79. So that is 4 is added. Then 79 plus 4, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83. So this is here which number? 83. Understand? Then 83 plus 4, 87. 87 plus 4, 87. 88, 89, 90, 91. 91. Then 91 plus 4, 95. 91 plus 4, 99. Understand? This is the pattern of numbers. Okay? You understand? Then here you look children, 12th question. Fill in the boxes by skip counting in 5s. 5 is adding to each number. So 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 5, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is writing here. This box 13. Then 13 plus 5, 18. 18 plus 5, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23. 23 plus 5, 28. 28 plus 5, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. 33. 33 plus 5, 38. Okay. Here and 5 is adding. 5 ആണ് എല്ലാ നമ്പേഴ്സിൻ്റെയും കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. Here 37 plus 5, 42. 42 plus 5, 42. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. 47. Then 47 plus 5, 47. 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. 52. 52 plus 5 is 57. 57 plus 5, 62. 67 plus 5, 67. 67 plus 5, 72. Okay, that is skip counting by 5. Next is fill in the boxes by skip counting by 10. This is very easy. 10 is adding എല്ലാ നമ്പറിൻ്റെയും കൂടെ 10 ആഡ് ചെയ്യണം. 2 plus 10 is 12. 12 plus 10, 22. 22 plus 10, 32. Then 42, 52, 62, 72. Okay. 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, 89, 99. Okay, 99. This is skip counting the numbers. All of you understand skip counting and ordinal numbers? Okay, children. Children, this is your notebook corner. Here in your notebook you write number names from 1 to 9. So spellings of 1 to 9 you write first. Then you write 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100 spellings. Okay, that you write in your notebook. This is for your revision and practice. So in your notebook you practice the number names. That's why I am giving this notebook section. So write the number names from 1 to 9. Then you write 10 spelling, 20 spelling, 30 up to 100 spelling you write in your notebook. Okay. Children, this is your homework first session, homework answers. So you can refer this. This is the answers. Okay, question number 1, complete the number chart. Numbers you write, the numbers I am writing here. Then your second question, write the numerals for the following. First 47 given, then 99, number 99 writing, then 65, then 39 is writing, 44, 72. Okay, so you refer this answers. Then our next question, write the number names for the following. Then 27 is given, then B 98 is writing. Okay, then 89 spelling, then 76 spelling. Okay, then 48, 57, 100, 64. So you look here and write answers correctly. Then write the missing numbers by counting forward. So this is the answers given. Okay, you can see. Yes, you can refer this answers. This is the part 1 homework answers. Then fifth question, fill in the blanks by counting backward. That also, this is the answers. Okay, so you can refer this. Then our sixth question, write numbers just before and just after the given numbers. So that is here. Okay, children. Then our seventh question, write number that comes between the given numbers. That also answers given. Then our eighth question, write the correct numbers. 49 is just after 48. Then 67 is just after 66 അത് 49 48 is just after 49 is just after means 49 ഏത് നമ്പർ കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടാണ് 49 അതാണ് 49 is just after. So 48 കഴിഞ്ഞ് 49 that is writing. Then 73 is just before അതായത് before എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ മുമ്പ്. So 73 ഏത് നമ്പറിന് മുമ്പാണ് 74 understand. Then 89 is just before 89 ഏത് നമ്പറിന് മുമ്പാണ് 89 it is 90. Then 2 is between 1 and 3 ഏതൊക്കെ നമ്പറിൻ്റെ ഇടയിലാണ് 2 that is 1 and 3. Understand children? This is your part 1 homework answers, and today's homework is textbook exercise 1B. Today's homework is textbook exercise 1B. Question number 1 and 2 is the homework. So this homework you attached with your assignment section. Okay. This is points discussed. What all points we discussed today? Yes, how to write numbers by skipping numbers. Which all numbers are skipping? 2, 3, 5 and 10. How to count the numbers by skipping 2, 3, 5 and 10 that you studied in this session. Then we studied ordinal numbers. Which are the ordinal numbers? Yes, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, like that. That is ordinal numbers. Most of the time you are used in this ordinal numbers in your life. So that time you can use this ordinal numbers. Okay, understand? Yes. Okay children, I think all of you understand today's session. So next session we will discuss about the number line and patterns. So patterns you already studied. So just revising what you mean by number patterns or picture, using picture patterns is there. So that we discussed in our next session. So today's session finished. Thank you all of you.